up, guys? Welcome back. Well, we got the 335 back, but she's down. 335 is down. The radiator blew. It just so happens that a couple of weeks ago I bought a radiator, and I was like, let me just hold on to it and make a video about the radiator, but the radiator blew. So now I'm gonna have to replace the radiator, but there's a couple of other things that I want to replace before I replace the radiator. And also, our washer reservoir is not working, so we can remove the fender on the other side and get that working too. I'm gonna just try and get this car up on the quick jacks, remove the wheels. We're gonna remove the bumper because I want to change out the headlights, and we're gonna do a little bit of painting of the grill there on the bottom. Give it that mean look. Let's go, let's get the car up. While the wheel is off, I'm gonna clean the inside of this wheel. It's just better to do it that way. You get the inside, outside. All right, let me go to the other side. Oh, my friend. Oh. Damn, it's been a long time. Let's get some of this tape off. Let's just get this off. All right, let's start removing the ones in the wheel well. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the rest of these and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out. We got one more right here. So I'm just gonna pull this out. This one is ready to go. This other one should be ready to go too. Yep. Alright, so now we can at least get to the screws that hold up the bumper. And they're right here. Bang. And bang. Okay, so we removed pretty much all the screws from the wheel well, fender, liner. And now we're gonna come up here, which is a T30, and remove these four. I'm missing one, but I think I know where it is. And before it comes down, we need to pull out the washer jet, the headlight washer jet. Just pull it out, kind of turn it, and it should come right out. Same thing on this side too. Yes, and it's just coming out real easy, just like that. Here's the jet, you have to be careful. Hole. All right, we got the bumper off, it's on the floor. There are some things to look out for. Just want to let you guys know that there are springs on the washer jet things. Be careful. These two springs will pop out and get messed up. Well, let's go ahead and move the bumper and take out the headlight. And also another thing too, I want to do is these grills right here. We're also going to remove these. I'm going to paint these black. So let's work on the headlights first and then we'll move on to this. Headlight removal. Okay, so to remove the headlight, another T30, 1, 2, and there should be another one that you have to go behind to get another T30. Let's get those moved. All right, guys, so there's another T30 here, and there's a T30 let's see, it's gonna be real crazy to see, but T30 right in there. You gotta come from up under the bumper to get it. So let me go ahead and get that, and we'll move on to the next light. All right, so the first headlight is out. I went ahead and removed, there's a black bar that's in front of it, right there. This black bar, I had to remove two T30s, and I just kind of slip it out that way. And there's also a power cord that comes with it that was on it that I had to remove. So here we are. Here we are. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just start to remove the ballast from the other one. Just move everything. I'm not going to take the bulb in this one. I did go ahead and buy me some. I think these are, I don't want 8,000 K in here. I know I have like 6,000 somewhere else, but I'm just gonna start moving everything over. T20 for the ballast. Where's my drill? It's quick. Unplug it right here. There should be two wires. Boom, and boom, just like that. Nice, not wet. If it was wet, you would have to replace it. I'm not gonna remove any of the bulbs in here. And we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we can start it up and we can play. Also, one more thing, don't forget this thing. Let's plug this up and see how it looks before we put anything back together. Let's just see if it works. Turn the switch. Oh, yes. That looks good, guys. And then let's do the other side and then paint that grill black, and then we can end the video there. That is looking good. I just cleaned it with some glass cleaner. In there. I should be a little bit more careful when I assemble it and then put it on a, what do you call it? On like a rag or something. Oh man, this is gonna be looking so fresh. Let's move on to the front bumper and we're gonna paint that black. I may need to run to Home Depot really quick, pick up some more Rust-Oleum, but we're gonna remove, got my little mat there, we're gonna remove these grills and we're gonna paint them all black. This plus that, this plus that, plus this, game over. Yes sir, that is already looking good and they are as bright as I want them to be. Those are bright. Okay. Now I gotta test out the high beam and the low beam, and then we can move on to removing the grill off on the front of this and painting. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop these out and give them a degreaser bath in a little bucket here. And then we're gonna hit it with some semi-gloss black. Now this should be easy to get out, right? Too easy. Hoping I don't break anything. Alright, so I gave these a little bath and some degreaser. Now I'm just gonna kind of wipe them down, let them sit out in the sun, and come back and then hit them with some semi-gloss. Okay, that's looking nice and dry. Let's go ahead and hit this with some I'm gonna do the other side first, the side that shows. Get out of here, my friend. We're gonna hit these sides. Hopefully this guy doesn't get on anything else. I don't know, I think that may be too much, but I don't know, we'll let it dry and then we'll see. That's looking good already. That's looking good already. Okay, so let's wait a bit and then we'll come back. Oh man. Yeah, I'm thinking we are gonna have to come back. Okay, we'll just let it dry and then we'll come back and spray it again. Okay, I waited till it was kind of sticky. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I'm just gonna have to research my paint skills. But I'm gonna hit it again and then wait till that dries, flip it over on the other side, and then hit that side. That's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait till this dries. It should look good. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. When we come back, we're gonna work on the radiator and put the new one in. We still have more pieces to remove. A lot more to remove. I'll see you guys in the next video.